Ever pondered upon the hefty price of ignoring your prostate health? It's an issue many overlook, but the ramifications can be severe. The prostate, a small but mighty organ, plays a key role in the male reproductive system. When it's not in tip-top shape, consequences can range from discomfort to serious health complications. Yet, in the midst of our busy lives, it's easy to neglect this crucial aspect of our health. We take it for granted, only to realize its importance when things start to go awry. And then, there's the issue of cost. Most supplements designed to support prostate health come with a high price tag. This can be a barrier for many, leading to further neglect and a vicious cycle of deteriorating health. But what if there was a way to ensure your prostate health without breaking the bank? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into a solution that marries affordability with effectiveness, ensuring your prostate health is never compromised. Scene script. Let us delve into the science of prostate health. The prostate, a small gland forming part of the male reproductive system, plays a vital role in our bodies. Its primary function is to secrete a fluid that nourishes and protects sperm, contributing to fertility. Therefore, maintaining its health is paramount. But what factors can affect prostate health? Aging is a significant one. As men grow older, their prostate naturally enlarges, which can lead to conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia. Additionally, lifestyle factors can also impact prostate health. Lack of exercise, obesity, and poor diet, particularly one high in red and processed meats, can contribute to prostate issues. But let's pivot to the brighter side of the coin. Scientific research has shed light on ways we can promote prostate health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, along with regular exercise, can keep the prostate in good shape. However, diet and exercise alone may not always be enough. This is where supplements come into the picture. Many studies have shown that certain supplements can support prostate health. For instance, saw palmetto, an extract from the berries of a type of palm tree, has been widely studied for its potential benefits on prostate health. Other supplements like lycopene and beta-sitosterol have also shown promise. One study published in the Journal of Urology found that men who took a supplement containing saw palmetto and beta-sitosterol had improved urinary flow rates and reduced urinary tract symptoms compared to those who took a placebo. Another research published in the Prostate Cancer and Prostatic Diseases Journal found that lycopene, a powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes, could slow the progression of benign prostatic hyperplasia. This is just the tip of the iceberg. The field of prostate health is vast and constantly evolving, with new research continually shedding light on ways to maintain and improve this vital aspect of male health. So we've established that maintaining prostate health is crucial, but how can we do it affordably? Introducing the Enhanced Prostate Support Complex by Horbach. This remarkable supplement is not just a random concoction of ingredients, it brings together a powerful blend of nutrients and botanicals designed specifically to promote optimal prostate health. Let's start with saw palmetto, an ingredient celebrated for its potential to support a healthy prostate. This fruit extract, native to the southeastern United States, has been the focus of numerous scientific studies. Findings suggest saw palmetto may help maintain the size of the prostate gland, which is a common concern among aging men. Next, we have Pygeum africanum, a type of bark that comes from Africa. This ingredient has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Recent studies have shown that Pygeum africanum may help reduce frequent urges to urinate, a common issue that can disrupt the quality of life for many men. Then there's pumpkin seed, a humble ingredient that packs a punch when it comes to supporting prostate health. Full of antioxidants and a rich source of beneficial oils, pumpkin seeds are believed to help maintain healthy bladder function. But we didn't stop there. The Enhanced Prostate Support Complex also includes a blend of essential nutrients like zinc, selenium, and copper. These minerals are vital for maintaining overall health, including the health of the prostate gland. All these ingredients come together in the Enhanced Prostate Support Complex to provide comprehensive support for your prostate health. But don't just take our word for it. A multitude of scientific studies back these claims, adding a layer of credibility to this affordable supplement. Whether you're looking to maintain your prostate health or seeking support, the Enhanced Prostate Support Complex is a natural choice. It is a product that respects your well-being, understanding the importance of a healthily functioning prostate in a man's life. An affordable solution with a plethora of benefits, wouldn't you agree? Now, the ball is in your court to experience these benefits. Imagine, if you will, a life where frequent bathroom trips, especially during the night, are a thing of the past. Picture yourself enjoying your favorite outdoor activities without the constant worry of locating the nearest restroom. This could be your reality with the aid of Enhanced Prostate Support Complex. This supplement could potentially transform your life by promoting optimal prostate health. It's not just about reducing the number of bathroom breaks, but also about enhancing your overall well-being. With regular use, you may notice an improvement in your urinary flow, a decrease in bladder discomfort, and a boost in your energy levels. And let's not forget about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're taking proactive steps in maintaining your prostate health. That's a benefit that's hard to quantify but invaluable nonetheless. The beauty of the Enhanced Prostate Support Complex by Horbach is that it's not just about the immediate benefits. It's about long-term health. The scientifically backed ingredients in this supplement work in harmony to support your prostate health, not just today but also in the years to come. And the best part? All these benefits come at an astonishingly affordable price. This supplement is proof that taking care of your health doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. It's a small investment with potentially significant returns in terms of your health and well-being. So why not seize this opportunity? Why not take a step towards a healthier, more comfortable life? The decision to try Enhanced Prostate Support Complex could be a game changer. Remember, it's not just about adding years to your life, but adding life to your years. And with this supplement, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in yourself. Why not give your prostate the care it deserves without straining your wallet? Before we conclude, there's one more thing to address. In the vast expanse of the internet, it's easy to get lost in a sea of misinformation. That's why we've made it our mission to be a beacon of truth in the realm of health and wellness, specifically prostate health. We're not just a YouTube channel, we're a community that values knowledge, science, and the power of informed decisions. When you subscribe to our channel, you're not just clicking a button. You're making a commitment to yourself and your health. For your convenience, a link in the description will take you directly to this exceptional and economical product. But it doesn't stop there. As a member of our community, you have the opportunity to engage in meaningful conversations, ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others who are on the same journey. We believe that together, we can make a difference. So, if you found value in what you've learned today, consider subscribing. Not for us, but for the benefit of your own health. Let's continue this journey together, with each video, each discussion, each step towards better health. Remember, your health is an investment, not an expense. Subscribe and join us in making health a priority. Have you ever considered the power of vitamins and minerals over testosterone treatments? As we continue our journey to better health, it's crucial to explore all avenues and possibilities. In our next video, the surprising vitamins and minerals that may replace testosterone treatments, we delve into the world of natural alternatives that could potentially enhance your prostate health. The role of vitamins like D, E, and essential minerals like zinc and selenium is often underestimated, but did you know these elements might offer a safer, more natural approach to managing your prostate health? We'll uncover the science behind these claims, discussing potential benefits and risks. So, before you decide on any treatment, consider the alternatives. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better decisions you can make. We encourage you to watch this enlightening video. It might just be the game changer you've been looking for. Remember, your health journey is unique, and every piece of information could be a turning point. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn more.